channel. It's your girl, Shar Styles. You guys saw the title of the video today. Like you all, I have a natural horror story of my own. We're just gonna get right into it. So make sure y'all grab your snacks, grab your tea, get cozy, and let's get into the story time. I think we should start from the beginning, to when I was a baby Shar. Baby Shar with a little baby fro. Looked so freaking cute. Look at my little coils, and my little hairs, and all of that, right? We were cute, we were baby, we had a full head of hair, very healthy, loved it. Fast forward to about around high school, we started to discover what a flat iron was. I know all of y'all know what a flat iron is, okay? Especially if you got curls and you know you've used a flat iron once in your life. If your mom has not told you that the house smells like burnt hair, that the house smells like it's on fire, you don't know the struggle. We were burning our hair back then, baby. We were just frying it up every day like it was breakfast, not even playing. So, coming to grade 12, I kind of started to discover my curls a little bit more. I was like, ooh, you know, this is actually kind of cute. I could wear this a little bit. I didn't really want to wear my hair natural in high school, mostly because every time you wear it to school, for some reason, everybody got something to say. Everybody got something to say. Everybody want to touch it, you know, they'll touch it. Everybody want to smell it. People are smelling my hair, bro. So we love to straighten our hair, but in grade 12 we were discovering our curls and we loved them a little bit. We were still straightening our hair, don't get me wrong, but we were wearing our curls a little bit, you know, we were vibing. We were watching all these natural hair journey videos on YouTube and we were inspired, okay? And determined. Okay, not really determined because I was still straightening my hair like I told you before, but we were inspired. I didn't really know like much about doing curls back then. Like I was still using my Eco Style Gel, Shea Moisture, not the best products at all. So I don't know what the hell I was doing. Okay, and my hair obviously wasn't healthy because I was always straightening it. So I started getting into my wig era and my sew-in era. It was the best era. Okay, I would get my braids done a lot or I would braid my own hair. I would love to practice braiding my own hair because it's expensive to get your hair braided out, and I was in high school, and I mean I was working in high school, but like I didn't want to spend my money on my hair all the time. Doing that, like wearing the sew-ins and wearing the wigs all year, I wore them all year. I was like always changing out my wig or getting a new sew-in put in. So I was doing that for the whole year of grade 12, and y'all, when I tell you my hair grew, oh girl, that shit grew. I guess it was just because I wasn't doing nothing to it really. Like I would wash it once a week. That's about it. Like I don't even know if I was deep conditioning back then. I can't quite remember if I'm being honest, but y'all, the hair was popping and I loved it. And I still kind of like was straightening and like going back and forth with it, but after grade 12 my hair was just kind of slaying a little bit. Then like I decided to cut it for some reason. Oh brother, I don't know why. I don't know why, like I was just always obsessed with like giving my hair a little trim, because when I straightened it I wanted it to look like bruh, a little straight cut, like a lob, a little bob, like a little bruh, you know? So I would always just cut it with some like craft scissors, you know? I decided to cut it again in 2020 and I was still straightening it then too. Like, I don't know, like something was just not right with it after that. I don't know why I did that. Like I just always be self-sabotaging myself. Like, why am I doing that to myself? Fast forward to 2021 when I got into cosmetology school. That's kind of when I started learning about hair health, how to take care of your hair properly, what products to use and all that stuff. I really started to get on my natural hair journey at this time, like for real. Like I did not straighten my hair like at all in 2021. At all. So for the whole year of like 2021, I was basically like growing out my hair and it was the best journey ever. Like I would wear my hair curly all the time or like blown out, and like it was getting so long and I would do my own braids and like, oh, I was just slaying. I looked so good. So I was just like slaying and my hair looked really, 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 really good. Fast forward to when I got my first job at Hairology Studio with my mentor, Josie Villet. If you don't know her, you better look her up. I decided I wanted to go blonde. I had gone blonde before, I'll show y'all, but I had gone blonde before. The other blondes that I had gotten was from like, just regular salons. But my girl Josie, she know what she's doing. So she made me blonde. It was looking scrumptious, okay? Like I look tasty. I look like a whole snack. Not even a snack, like a buffet. And like if I ever love my hair at any point in my life, this is the time. This was the time that I was like vibing with my hair, bro. I was doing all the hairstyles, okay? Ponytails with the braids, flexi rod sets, like that hairstyle was just, it was slaying, like slaying to the T, okay? So you're probably like, all right, you have your dream hair now. You're a hairstylist, you're in cosmetology school, your mentor just did your hair, you're slaying. How does this all go wrong? Where did you go wrong, girl? But I'll tell you where I went wrong. Summer of 2022, I decided to get some braids done by my girl Dorcas. Shout out again, Dorcas. Nothing wrong with the braids. The braids slayed. They ate, left no crumbs, all of that for a good month. They slayed. I don't leave my braids in for longer than a month usually. It's just too long. Wash your scalp, y'all. Wash your damn scalp. I don't care how much the braids cost. Wash your damn scalp, all right? So when I decided to take out the braids, I do how I usually do. Start in the back, cut them off a little bit. Not too much. We ain't trying to cut our hair. Start, you know, undoing the braid or whatever. Everything's going good. Like I said, I told y'all, I used to braid my hair in high school. I got lots of braids in high school, after high school, all of that. Sometimes I would brush my hair before I went in the shower. Sometimes I wouldn't. I know the rule is to always brush your hair after you take out your braids before you get in the shower with some oil. But I didn't have time for all of that today. I was in a rush. So I just hopped in the shower. Like I said, I've done this before and nothing has happened. My hair has been fine. Fine. But this time, my hair had other plans for me. So I'm in the shower, rub-a-dub-dubbing, sudsing up my hair with some shampoo. It's just starting to feel weird. It just wasn't feeling right. So I washed out the shampoo, put in some conditioner, started trying to detangle my hair. I don't even know what to say next. All I can say is my hair was basically in dreadlocks at that point. I don't know, it was so fast. Everything just flashed before my eyes. So I hopped out the shower in a panic to go look in the mirror and see what's popping. Y'all, my hair was so matted, like God, it was so bad, like it was so bad. And everything I was doing to it, it was just making it worse. Like I didn't know it could get worse, but it was just getting worse and worse and worse. The matting, like in the back, I wish I could show y'all pictures of like what it looked like, but I didn't even take any pictures at that time because I was freaking out. My man was like looking at me like he thought I was about to go bald. Like I had to go to work. We didn't have time for none of this tomfoolery. So I go to work, y'all. I tried to put my hair in a bun. Mind you, the back is like dreadlocks. Let me start explaining. The back is like dreadlocks. And then the front, there's like one big mat, like right at the front here, in like a ball. And if you like poke it, it's literally hard. Like hard as a rock. Like I can't even make this shit up. So I go to work, I try and put it in a bun, but it literally hurts because it's so knotted. I can't even put my hair in a bun, but I did. Because I had to do something. It definitely was not gonna stay down. Like absolutely not. It looked atrocious. I'm panicking, telling my coworkers what happened. My coworker tried to like start a little bit, but like obviously we all had clients that day, so like we couldn't get into it really. I had to wait till the weekend to go to my coworker's house so she could detangle it. The amount of hair that I lost, I don't usually cry over those type of things. Like I'm not that attached to my hair. I know it's gonna grow back, but I was so sad on the inside because I was just like really disappointed in like all of the work that I had put in to growing it and getting it to this stage and like being able to bleach it and like have it curly and healthy and blonde. Oh, like I was just so disappointed. I was just honestly really disappointed in myself. It was just sad that my hair was just destroyed at that point. Like it was not the same. The feeling was not the same. The way it looked was just not the same. Like nothing was the same. So a few months later, I decided to give it a haircut and dye it red and with 2 blonde patches, which I immediately regretted. I don't think that was my color at all. So after that, I just dyed my hair back to my natural color. Basically did like slick back buns and like all of that stuff for a while. I had curly extensions back in April. Those slayed. Flashback to October of 2023, I gave myself another curly cut. Yeah, I'm basically just like growing my hair back from that traumatic experience still. It's been like almost 2 years, but it took a lot to come back from that. Like, we're just on our own natural hair journey again. Obviously right now I'm rocking my sew-in. I told myself I'm gonna be doing just sew-ins and like wigs. So that was my natural hair horror story. What do y'all think? My theory obviously is that the reason my hair matted this time is 1, because I didn't brush it before going in the shower. But like I said before, I've done that before and it's been fine. But my hair wasn't bleached at the time. So I'm thinking it's because my hair was bleached And I didn't brush it before I went into the shower. I just went straight in with the shampoo all like. You can email me at sharstylescurls@gmail.com and send me your natural hair horror stories so you can be featured on my next video. Let's share our pain, y'all. Let's share it. Come on. But anyways, make sure you like this video, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from me, subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday. Peace.